Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock the special training mode on the Total Football Mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Total Football account, and if you already logged in, you can make the kick-off play match, and you need to win the match. Of every match you need to win, you can play live arena career match and also challenger cup. Okay, but for this for my team I just choose live arena, so I'm playing against another player. So, and I already have three wins for the three matches. So I now get the 200 glory point and already unlock the special training. And if you already unlock the special training, you will get the skill like this. Okay, you can training for the attacking drills, free kick challenge, shimmering blue, trail by 2 goals, good start, and many more. So if you want to unlock the special training, you need to get 200 glory points and win every match on the Total Football Mobile. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.